very good morning. Welcome you all to the inaugural ceremony of South Indian Level Inter-Collegiate Cricket Tournament. Resounding success of the inaugural NUPL in March 2023. The Padma Shri awardee and legendary Indian wicketkeeper of Nigeria. We are excited to announce the return of NUPL for its second season. To begin our program on an auspicious note, I would like to invite Ms. Gana Paninja to lead us in an invocation. For the heartfelt prayer. It is now my privilege to invite our respected principal, Professor Dr. Dinesh Kumar KU, to deliver the welcome address.
Good morning and a warm welcome to the dignitaries on the dais, off the dais, the invited members and the volunteers, the deans and head of the institutions of the various constant institutes under the ambit of Nitya University, the different teams who arrived here for this great tournament, Nitya Physio Premier League N2PL, from various universities like Rajiv Gandhi University, Dr. MGR University of Health Sciences, Tamil Nadu, Kerala University of Health Sciences, Kerala, Dr. Dayanand Sagar, Deemed to be University, RV University, and various Mysore institutions from Mysore. So totally, you have gathered here for the season 2 of the Nitya Physio Premier League, and it is a great moment. In 2022, on the Silver Jubilee celebrations, we had a season 1 Nitya Physio Premier, which was inaugurated by the legendary keeper of the Indian cricket team, Syed Kirmani. And today we have another eminent, after 3 years we are here with another eminent cricketer of Punjab Kings and the Indian cricket A team, also the Karnataka, the proud Karnataka Ranji player. On this occasion, it's a privilege to have among our university executives also. On this occasion, we have among us our beloved Chancellor, Sri N. Vinay Hegde, who is always passionate about sports, especially about cricket, and his constant motivation to organize similar events of sports has led to this kind of a mega event. We are always thankful for this great support. On behalf of the organizing N2PL committee, I extend a very warm welcome to our beloved Chancellor. Our the Pro-Chancellor, Professor Dr. Shantaram Shetty, who is also an eminent sportsman, who is an eminent orthopedic surgeon, a renowned clinician, and very passionate about sports. And it's our privilege in our university, we have at the higher level people who supports, who motivates the sports. It is our honor to have our Pro-Chancellor among us. On behalf of the NTPL, I extend a warm welcome to our beloved Pro-Chancellor. Vice Chancellor, without his directives or without his guidance, probably this kind of an event would have been not possible. It was always a source of inspiration to hold and to balance between curriculum or co-curricular activities. We have the honor to have our beloved Vice Chancellor among us. On behalf of the NTPL, I extend a very warm welcome to our Honorable and a dynamic, proactive cricketer, an eminent player who was a part of Punjab Kings. I was supposed to be due to layover injury. He I think it's a stress fracture. He could not be taken this series. We have Mr. Vidwat Kaverappa, who has represented Indian A team, the Ranji team, the Karnataka Irani Trophy, the other trophies, and the South African and Namibia recently represented the Indian team, and many awards and many things. If I recall, he was the best player and series, taking the 15 wickets in 2 matches in the Deodhar Trophy. That was his highest. And he is retained by the Kings 11 for 2025-25 for IPL season also. So ladies and gentlemen, it is our privilege and motivation to have, and the inspiration given by him should be carried in the sports when you perform. So on behalf of the Premier League, I extend a very warm welcome to Mr. Vidwat Kaverappa. I request the dignitaries to felicitate with the shawl. Dynamic Dean of KSID Medical College, Dr. Sandeep Rai, who is also a very eminent golf player. We welcome to this season. And we have Dr. Mitra Hegde from the Dental College, Dr. Sumalata Shetty from Medical Superintendent, the Deputy and our Public Relation Officers, the faculties of Oncology, all other faculties of Health Sciences. Among us, we welcome you all and for gracing the occasion. And the most important, the players from the various universities who are gathered here. It is a privilege to have you among our campus. Please visit all our institutions when you are having a time, free time, or even we'll arrange for the same. And it is indeed a warm welcome to all the 16 teams, and we are going to have a great time for 2 days, including today's Red Light series. We also welcome the most important key persons of this organizing team, Professor Rakesh Krishna, who is the convener of this, Professor Jayesh Chandran, and Mr. Pushparaj, who has worked for this entire event for past 1.5 months we welcome you. And Dr. Karunakar Shetty, his directives and his guidance, we really thankful to you, sir. And once again, we welcome all the members of the press media who have gathered here by having our invitation. We welcome all the press media, print and electronic media. Once again, we welcome all the volunteers and all other committees, various committees who is working behind this a great cause. Thank you. Once again, we welcome all. Jai Hind.
And we welcome you too. Now, to symbolize the dispelling of darkness and the illumination of knowledge, I request our esteemed dignitaries to participate in the lamp lighting. It is now my distinct honor to invite our guests to come forward and unveil the coveted trophy for the second season of Elite Physio Premier League. We have with us today Professor Dr. M. Shantaram Shetty, Pro-Chancellor, Hospital Administration and PG Studies. It is our honor to have with us today our chief guest, Mr. Vidwat Kavirappa, a competitive athlete, a right-arm fast bowler, who has represented Punjab Kings in the Indian Premier League, and he has also represented Karnataka in various cricket tournaments. He's a hard-working individual who showcases his ultimate talent on and off the pitch. I now invite Sir to share his insights with us.
Good morning everybody present over here today. I would like to thank dignitaries on the dais for having me over here and for the warm welcome that they have given me. It is truly an honor to be here today as the chief guest for the Elite Physio Cricket Tournament. First and foremost, I would like to extend my warm congratulations to all the players, coaches, and to the organizers who have made this event possible. Your commitment, enthusiasm, and dedication to the sport is truly inspiring. Cricket, as we all know, is more than just a game. It is a passion, a way of life for millions around the world. It brings people together, fosters teamwork, and teaches invaluable lessons of perseverance and discipline. However, beyond the thrill of the competition and the excitement of the game, there is one crucial aspect that often goes unnoticed: the role of physiotherapists and the medical professionals ensuring the health and performance of the athletes. As players strive for excellence on the field, they are constantly pushing their bodies to the limit. Whether it's managing a sprained ankle, a pulled muscle, or helping with rehabilitation after serious injuries, physiotherapists are the unsung heroes who ensure that players can continue to perform at their best. To all the physiotherapists present here today, I would like to express my deepest appreciation for your hard work and dedication. Your contributions are not just limited to providing treatment, but also in promoting injury prevention and educating athletes about the importance of maintaining physical health. To the players, I encourage you to play with the same spirit of camaraderie, passion that cricket has always been known for. Remember that every match is an opportunity to learn, grow, and support each other. Finally, to everyone involved in organizing this tournament, thank you for your efforts in bringing us all together. Sports like this provide us with memories that last a lifetime, and today is another step towards creating such loved memories. I wish all the teams best of luck, and I look forward to seeing some thrilling cricket on the field. May the best team win. All the best.
Thank you, sir, for your encouraging words. We have with us today Professor Dr. M. Shantaram Shetty, Pro-Chancellor, Hospital Administration and PG Studies, Nitte DU. I now request sir to share a few words with us.
Good morning. Good morning, man. Our esteemed Chancellor, Mr. Vinay Gidegi, Chief Guest of the Day, Mr. Vidyut Kavirappa, who as a Karnataka cricketer has made all of us proud. As a medium fast bowler, looking at his height, I thought he would be the best of the basketball or volleyball players. But for a fast bowler also, most of the fast bowlers all around the world today are more than 6 feet 3 inches. It is indeed a great pleasure that you could make your presence here, Dr. Mr. Vidyut. And though yesterday the previous team missed you, they still made it. I don't know how many of you saw the match between CSK and the PBS. He represents the famous PBS team. Our Vice Chancellor, Professor Mudita, our Dean, Dr. Sandeep, and the person who is responsible for all of us to be here, the enthusiasm which he has brought in to have these 16 teams here to vie each other for cricket trophy today. When I was looking at the trophy and the welcome we got, I thought we were in a PBL or the Champions Trophy. Even the Champions Trophy does not have the trophy which is so big and nice. It's all because of this young man and the team which he has developed. In the galaxy of our members of the staff, heads of the institutions, and the 16 teams which is participating today. It is indeed a pleasure that we have gathered here, not just to play cricket, but to understand each other. As Mr. Vidyut Kavirappa rightly said, physiotherapy plays a very important part in any game, whether it is tennis, whether it is cricket, whether it is football. Unless there is a good physiotherapist to man the team, they will fail. Because any injury, see, Kavirappa could not play the PBL today because of a simple stress fracture. It is not only the surgeons or the physicians, it is the physiotherapists who put them back to the work, and they are a very important part of the team. So I congratulate Professor Dinesh and all his staff members for arranging this great event. Last year we had a very great event. Cricket is a very great game. No doubt football and any of the teams, any of the games are great, but cricket has its own charm because India has made it big in cricket today, and we are almost the #1 team, whether it is 20 or 50 or even in Test cricket. It is because of people like Kavirappa who have made it possible for us. Karnataka has been on the top in cricket. I still remember my college days when we used to play against Prasanna, the famous PS Prasanna. He was in the engineering college, he was in the medical school, and he used to bowl on a coin to the wicket, and 4 out of 6 balls he used to bowl on that coin, and he was an off spinner and he used to hit the wicket. And similarly, our chief guest today is a great medium pacer. I am sure he is just 25 years old. You have still another 7 years to go. I am sure you will make it big, and you will represent the Indian team very sure. On behalf of all of us, we wish you all well. And today we have gathered here to celebrate a teamwork. A physiotherapy is a very important, physiotherapist is a very important part of the team, whether it is in clinical, whether it is operating, whether it is in games, in any part, physiotherapy plays a very important game. So you are gathered here to understand the fellowship and understanding with each other. I wish all the team on behalf of Nittay University, and it is mainly because of our Chancellor, who was a great cricketer himself, not only in his school days and college days. He was a hockey player, he was an all-rounder. And today, as an entrepreneur, as an educationalist, he has proved what a sportsman can do as an entrepreneur or as any professional of later years. And we thank him on behalf of all of us for making this university a great university of today, where all of you are participating. As Ganesh rightly said, go around our university and and enjoy our hospitality and come back to us next year again with a better team. And all of you, it is not to win, but to play and understand the intricacies of play. I wish you, on behalf of the university and all of us, all the best. And tomorrow, it is not the winning team. All the teams will be felicitated tomorrow for participating with us today. May God bless you all.
Thank you, sir, for your kind words. To acknowledge the contributions and efforts that have made this event a success, I now call upon Professor Rakesh Krishna to deliver the vote of thanks.
Indeed a great honor and a privilege for me to deliver the vote of thanks on this wonderful occasion of N2PL 2 cricket tournament. Today, it marks not just the culmination of teamwork, talent and togetherness. First and foremost, sir, your constant encouragement and unwavering support for student development in all spheres, academic, cultural, social and sports, has always inspired us to aim higher. Thank you. Igniting a renewed sense of motivation and pride. Thank you so much, sir. I request Honorable Chancellor and all take away the token of gratitude to Sri. Respected Pro-Chancellor Dr. M. Shantaram Shetty sir, Pro-Chancellor has won for all the initiatives like N2PL. Thank you very much, sir. I extend my heartfelt gratitude to Sri Vishal Hegde sir, our distinguished Pro-Chancellor Administration, for his unwavering support. I would like to thank our vision continues to elevate the standards of excellence in our university. Your encouragement for extracurricular activities has brought vibrant enterprises, and to Mitra Hegdemar, Dean, Delta College, for their gracious presence. Thank you very much, sir. A heartfelt thanks to our beloved principal, whose active involvement supports sir, Professor and Head of Department of Ophthalmology, and Manohar Amin sir, Karnataka State Cricket Academy Chairman, for their constant and valuable support, which added great strength to this event. I would like to execution of the event. Gratitude and thanks to all the principals of 16 institutions for their support towards NIPT. I would like to thank all the faculties from various institutions affiliated to Nittay University Committee. Thank you all. And how can we forget the vibrant and enthusiastic student council and as well as volunteers of N2PL. You all have worked round the clock, planning, organizing and coordinating to bring this tournament to life. Hats off to your commitment and energy. And Ms. Risha Fernandez, 6th semester student, for their support in. I would like to thank
and to celebrate the unity of these 16 teams, I now invite our distinguished dignitaries to release the balloons as a collective gesture of sportsmanship. Led by Mr. Golden Kumar Arjun. Next, we have Padma Shri Game Changers from Padma Shri College of Physiotherapy, Bangalore, affiliated to RGUHS, led by Mr. Abhilash Behra. Next up is BCF Tuskers from BCF College of Physiotherapy, Kerala University of Health and Allied Sciences, led by Mr. George KGO. Next is Acharya Physio Strikers from Acharya NR College of Physiotherapy, Acharya NR University, Bangalore, led by Mr. Vetri Selvan. Next is Heritage Warriors, Heritage College of Physiotherapy, Mysore, affiliated to RGUHS, led by Mr. Minhaj Hussain. KG College of Physiotherapy, Kerala University of Health and Allied Memorial College of Physiotherapy, Mangalore, affiliated to RGUHS, led by Mr. Prajwal.